welcome back to my channel. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button. I would love to have you join me. And of course, to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Now for today's box, I have my Macys Beauty Box for the month of August. And I can't wait to open it. I have not opened it yet. I have not looked at anybody's video, so I have not the slightest idea what's in here. So I'm super excited to go ahead and open this. Now let me put my glasses on because I can't do nothing without my glasses. Now, for those of you who don't know, oh, this looks nice. For those of you who don't know what Macys Beauty Box is, I believe it's $15 a month and you get 5 or 6 deluxe sample size products sent to your house every month. And that does include shipping. And they also include one beauty bag. So, right away, when I opened it, this is what I see when I open it. And you can see the little makeup beauty bag that they send you. And this month, it looks like it's a mesh. And it's called Golden Hour. Now let's see what Golden Hour is all about. Now they always include a little brochure to tell you everything that they included in here and give you a description of everything. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Now everything comes very neatly wrapped in the pink paper, and here is what the package looks like. Very cute. Alrighty, and when you open it up, it tells you this value of this box is $73.44, and like I said, I paid $15 for it. And this month is all about radiant beauty, so throw on some shade, catch the light, and get your glow on. So okay, so let's get our glow on, ladies. And we're gonna start with the first thing out that grabbed my attention, and this is Laura Geller, and this is Baked Original Highlighter. And it says, blinded by the brights, your cheekbones will be popping off the photo when this mineral highlighter shines in the sunlight. How to use: simply swipe on the high points of your face, and the full size retail value of this is $24. So let me go ahead and open it for you. The color is called French Vanilla. It just says swipe on the high points of your face. So put some there. Oh yeah, you can see it. Oh, my nose is going to be aglow, and I don't know if I should have done that, but. Well, I don't really know what I think of it. Can you guys see it? I can't really see it on here. Now, when I put it on the tip of my nose, I could really see it. So I'll get to play with that and see what I think of it. And I hope I don't look goofy right now because I got this whole video to shoot. All right, and this is by COOLA, and this is called the Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. And it says, introduce the ability to be sun-kissed no matter the season. Treat yourself to a blend of argan oil, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid that quenches dry skin, leaving a streak-free and transfer-free tan for up to 3 days. And the retail value of this is $54 for a full size. How to use: a small amount goes a long way. Spread evenly onto clean, dry skin. So I'm not going to test this right now because I don't want to streak myself up and give myself a tan. And then we have something called Glam Glow. And this is Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Like that. It's all in the name. Nourish and brighten your complexion with a supercharged formula of hyaluronic acid, vitamin, and green tea. A rush of hydrating ingredients soaks in for an illuminating finish worthy of the red carpet. Full size value of this is $50, and it says wear alone or layer under your favorite foundation for a little extra. So I will open this and see what I think of it. It does not have a safety seal on it, but it's okay. Oh, look at that. It has like a pearl essence. Let me put a little bit more so maybe you guys can see that. See how it has like a pearly, pinky, I don't know. Maybe if I smear it a little bit, you guys can see it. But yeah, it definitely has a glowy look, but it rubbed in completely invisible. It feels nice. My hands feel good right now. but when I rubbed it in, I don't see that pearly glow. But maybe if I go out in the sun, like if I put it on my face or something, it might give me a little bit of a glow. But it's called Glam Glow, and it's an illuminating moisturizer. So there's that. And then we have, oh, a cleansing oil. Very good. I've been needing a new cleansing oil. And this is Mario, and I'm not going to bother saying that last name because I don't want to slaughter someone's name. But cleansing oil, it says wash your day away without washing away all your skin's moisture in the process. Thank you very much. This nourishing 2-in-1 formula gently cleanses skin while removing makeup and impurities effortlessly, including waterproof mascara, which I have right now, and I've been I've been having a hard time because I don't have any eye makeup remover, so yay. How to use? Just add warm water and massage to emulsify makeup and bacteria. Okay, very good. Interested in that? Then we have this, which is called CAUDALIE, and this is called VINOPERFECT Complexion Correcting Radiance Serum. Everything's about radiance, so I see where they're going this month. I like that they have a theme too. It says, let's give dark thoughts. Let's give dark thoughts. How about let's give dark spots the attention they deserve by getting rid of them completely. This cult serum uses naturally powerful viniferine to brighten, lighten, and even skin appearance. Its 17-year streak speaks for itself. Full size value of this is $79. Apply morning and evening to cleanse skin. So awesome. So let me open it and let me give you my opinion about this. Just the smell. It has a very light scent, you know, any kind of lotion or moisturizer. Nothing offensive or anything. Nothing strong at all. Let me put it on my skin. And it's just a white lotion, and it is supposed to lighten those dark spots that we get. So very good. Let's see how that works. I mean, for $79, it must do something, and it has a 17-year winning streak. So, okay, now we always get 2 colognes, and the first one out is Coach, and this is Coach Dream Sunset. And the full size value of this is $102. And let's see what scents are in here. It says this scent combines fresh pear sorbet with sensual notes of jasmine, sambac, and creamy tonka bean. Tonka bean, I've never heard of that. So let's see what I think of this. I like it. Very nice, clean scent. That's the best way I could describe it. I'm not too good at that, but I will definitely wear that. I think last month's box, they sent one of the colognes, and it was really a good name too. But no, I could not stand it. It went straight in the garbage. It was burning my nose. I couldn't handle it. Oh, and then we have another Coach one. Oh, so both Coach perfumes. And this one is called, oh, this is a men's. Yeah, they usually do that too. They'll include a ladies and a men's. So this is the men's. And it says, dive into a scent that embodies the freedom and optimism of a road trip about to begin. Invigorating and aromatic. It combines lime and absinthe oils with fresh notes of ozone before drying down to warm cedar wood and amber. Ooh, I like cedar wood and amber. So I'll put this on this wrist. I don't want to rub it into the other one. Let me just rub it up here. Oh, that does smell good. Yes, very manly smell. Yeah, maybe I should give this to my husband. Keep this off to the side. He's not a big cologne person, you know, he's your everyday average guy, you know, he's not going to go around wearing cologne. But at Christmas time or some kind of holiday, I could like throw this at him and say, hey, put a spritz of this on. He'd probably do it for that, but not for the everyday occasion. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll do the wrap up. Here is the golden hour. Like I said, everything was about glowing. we have the cleansing oil. We have the 2 Coach colognes, a man and a woman's. And we have this, which was the dark spot remover. We have this, which was the tan, self tanner, so I didn't try that one, of course. And then we had the Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer, which I thought was okay. And then we had the Laura Geller highlighter. I have a lot of highlighters, and I don't know, I'll look back at the video, but I don't see nothing major big about that. I don't know if that's gonna end up being one of my faves. But like I said, this is $15. So out of this box, I think the most exciting thing I'm excited to try is the cleansing oil and the dark spot remover. I have one dark spot, I keep working on it, and I have this one fade cream that I use all the time. I can't think of the name. I will put it in the description box down below. And it does a good job, but it has not completely faded. So maybe I'm gonna jump in with this $79 little sample size and see if it does anything. Well, anyway, what were your favorite items out of here? What did you think of this month's box? And have you tried any of these items? And have you tried that dark spot remover? Let me know in the comment section if you have, because I'm kind of interested in that. And also, if you have tried that COOLA tanning lotion, let me know also if there's any tips or tricks, because I don't want to end up streaky. What I would do with this, which it's kind of scary, because it's such a small sample size, I would maybe just want to tan on my face. So maybe I'll try it on my face, but then if I like really get it wrong and it gets streaky, I'm gonna be in trouble. So I don't know, I'm kind of scared. So if you guys got any tips or tricks, let me know, definitely. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.